Good morning, guys. It's Sunday here. I'm popping on to open up some main lines with you guys. This is from Q Case. Right there. Q Case. Q Case has actually a lot of nice cars. I know some of them are carryovers. I don't follow the cases that strict, so I have no idea which ones are, which ones aren't. I just grab them when I see them. But yeah, it's quite a few, so I thought I'd pop on here. It's going to be a long video, so if you're, just chilling out, relaxing on a Sunday morning or afternoon, you want to watch this, get some popcorn. No, actually, don't get any snacks, just get some water. And let's check these out. All right, so this one I already cracked open on my Instagram, but I thought we'd take a closer look now that we have this video to do. 92 Viper RT10. RT10, yeah. Anyways, this is a pretty nice casting. It's a remake. Let's get a closer look. It's a remake. I love the wheels. The wheels go, these Hot Wheels wheels go perfect with it. This is a beautiful casting. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, that is a good casting. That is a good job. The older Viper, I wasn't really a big fan of. I thought it was really unproportional, so. All right, let's check out the next one. No particular order, guys. I'm just grabbing them from the stack here. Honda Super Cub. I'm a Honda fan, and I got some of the other colors, so I thought I'd pick this one up. It's yellow. Let's see if this one stands up. They should. They kind of stand up like that, I think. Yeah, they kind of stand up like that. No, not really. I guess. Whatever. Let's zoom in. Let's have a closer look. Nice brown seat. Makes it a lot more realistic. Not sure if I'm a fan of this yellow. I don't know. I don't think I'd be riding this in such a flashy color. But yeah, there it is. Put that in the handy zone. Alright, see you later, packaging. Alright, Tesla Roadster. And this one's in orange. I can't really see any Tesla being orange in color, you know? I don't know why, I just see it. I don't know why, but I just don't see. Maybe the Tesla Roadster, because it's more of a supercar-ish. It's fast enough. Well, even their regular models, like the Model X, Model S. My buddy took me for a ride in his Model X, and let's say it was really quick. I've been in a lot of quick cars, but the acceleration is just very continuous, very reliable, or what do you call it? It's reliable. Like it's gonna happen every time, unlike a regular motor. But anyways, 69 Ford Mustang Boss 302 in the Falcon livery. I'm a big fan of the Falcon livery. I think it looks freaking awesome. And this Mustang just looks cool. It goes good with the other Mustang that they released earlier in the year too as well. Let's go on in. This view is nice. This zoom view. Still trying to work out YouTube or these longer videos. What's the best way of doing it? Some people are really good at talking, so trying to get there, you know, trying to keep it entertaining, guys, but hope you guys are enjoying it. This is nice. All right, we'll park that one right here. All right, next one. Definitely one of my favorite castings for sure. The 84 Pontiac Firebird. I just love this car since I was a kid. I always thought it was really cool looking, you know. And this color is super retro, you know, super cool. Little hood stripe. Trans Am along the sides. The wheels work really good too as well. Have a look on the inside, the T-roof. Little bird on the front there. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, Hot Wheels. We'll put that right there. You guys can't see it, but I can. Alright, Audi 90 Quattro. This is a recolor. I like the number 4, so I had to pick this up. I'm just joking. I like this car. This casting is nice. The white, I think, was a little bit nicer, but, you know, whatever. This is a new casting for 2023, so might as well pick it up. I do like the racing mesh there along the side. I don't know what it's called. This car is really cool. Nice little vent there. GT. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah, I like this one too. Still like the... What is that there? Can't make it out. I still like the white one better. But this one's nice too. Alright, put that guy there. Alright, I picked this one actually up yesterday. I picked up these guys throughout the week. But I picked up this one yesterday at No Frills. We live in Canada, so not every place has Hot Wheels. No Thrills is one of them. Walmart, obviously. Toys R Us. And this is a 62 Corvette, guys. No Frills. What did I say? The Dollar Store. Walmart. Toys R Us. But in the States, it seems like every place sells it. This one's cool. I like this one. It really, the color, it's really suits this particular car. It's very nice. Very nice. Yeah, this is nice. This doesn't need a wheel swap or anything. It's just the wheels look perfect on this guy. I can't imagine another set of wheels that would make it really that much better. Unless you're like I need to have rubber tires kind of guy, but... Alright, we got another 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC3S. We'll just refer to this as the old RX-7 from now on. Alright, so this one's in black. It's come out in every color, and it's nice because they kept it just very clean. Like no crazy decals or anything like that. Just nice, clean. I believe decals all around. So this one's in black. This is very classy looking too. I'm not sure if I've seen a lot of these when I was younger. Probably not. I don't remember if I've even seen it, to be honest with you, but very classy. Very nice. Alright, what's next? Alright, 88 Honda RX-7. RX-7. CRX. Sorry, guys. I can't believe I messed that one up. I gave this one to my buddy. If you guys were watching my Instagram, I gave one of these to my buddy. He has a CRX. It's in a blue color, so I had to pick it up for him, you know. If you see a car that reminds you of your buddy's car that you see all the time, you gotta pick it up for them, you know. He's a collector too as well. Doesn't really do the social media as much as me. Nobody does. But yeah, that's nice. I always happy to add another Honda to my collection. I am a Honda guy. I had like 16 real Hondas in my life, so I would, you know, I'd give myself that that name, Honda guy. Okay, we got a 57 Jeep FC. Decoration or whatever. I can't even speak right now, guys. It's a Sunday. I should be relaxing, but I'm doing this video for you guys. No, I'm just joking. All right, so this is a new for 2023 too as well. So I thought this was just cool right off the bat. Just looks like a cool casting. Yeah, let's have a close look at this guy. This is really nice. I love it when Hot Wheels does a new casting and they do at least the front details. Look at this one. Yeah. This one would be super cool in a premium release. That'd be super cool. Alright, here's another one I really like. Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. Alright, this is a big boy. This takes up the whole... Oh, there you go. See ya. Alright, let's take a zoom in on this guy. Definitely the front end is badass, guys. Look at this guy. Look at the paint job. This is nice. Wheels are alright. I mean, they got whatever they got to work with. I don't know what other wheels I'd put on this guy, since it's a EV, you know. They got like a brace in the trunk, roll cage deal, you know. And you got your interior. Interior doesn't look like it's anything too crazy. That's the roof. Look at the hood scoop on the roof, guys. Holy cow. Look at those aero spoilers. Alright, I like this. Very lowered, too. That's cool. Put that beside the FC Jeep. Alright. Cadillac Seville 82. This thing's, this casting has been killing it since it came out in the Gucci. I like it anyways. I didn't really know about it until the Gucci, so I'll admit that. But I do like this old school squared off style. I think it's just nice. Very good, very good. Take one more good look at it. Put it over there. All right, McLaren Solus. This is a GT. This car is race track only, so you're not gonna see this ever in the streets. And it's one of 25 or 24, something like that. So super rare. It's definitely like F1 inspired because it has a single person in the middle there. This part slides up. The person jumps in. This part slides back in. So really, really cool. Take a closer look at that part that would slide in and out. The real one looks super good. Like Hot Wheels did an alright. I actually think Hot Wheels did a shit job, but whatever. At least they made it. It's a brand new car. Nobody's ever gonna see in real life. All right, the Toyota van, the '86 Toyota van. I don't think I really remember the really square one. Like maybe I've seen a couple of them, or like over my life. But I remember more of the rounder egg-looking version of this van. But this is cool in the retro. They've been doing it all in these retro colors, so color schemes. And this is just another nice example. We won't spend too much time because they made this a couple times already, so we won't spend too much time on it. All right, so this is a new casting for 2023. Lamley made me buy this one. He made this one sound so cool, so let's check it out, see if it's actually pretty cool or not. And this is a Land Rover Series 2. All right, so this one has the windshield down, and it stays down. It doesn't go up or anything, guys. So the casting is just cast like that. That's cool. I'm sure they can make another plastic piece with this up, but this one has a surfboard attached to it. Doesn't come out or anything, so it's all attached. A couple of stickers or something, decals. You got your steering wheel, shifter. Oh, you got a pair of sandals in the back there. A little wrench. That's cool. Nice little Easter egg things to find. That's always cool. Alright, guys. I hate all this little speckles and dust and stuff when we're doing these videos. Alright, guys. Thank you very much for checking this out with me. I'm just going to take you guys off the base here so I can do a quick flyby of the stuff that we just cracked open. Alright, guys. Hope you guys are having a good Sunday. And I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Or on Instagram. Peace.